started the chapter number 12, which is how heavy and how light. And in that we have seen the basic information and the basic knowledge of this chapter. Means about this chapter we have seen the few explanation. Now in this video I will explain to you how we can convert the kilogram into gram and gram into kilogram. See, simple conversation we have seen in the last video, that how we can convert the small unit into big unit, means gram to kilogram, and kilogram to gram, means big unit into small unit. But in this video I will start your workbook question number 1, which is convert the grams into kilograms and grams. Means your questions will be in gram and we have to convert that gram into kilogram and gram. So let's start it. Question number 1. Your heading is convert grams into kilograms and grams. And first number is given 2420 gram. This is your first number. Now see, I told you previously that here we will use 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Means this formula we will apply. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Now we are converting. What we have to check in this? We are converting this gram into kilogram and gram. Means whenever you will find this sum, so your answer will be come in kilogram and gram both. But our question is given in gram. So first we have to decide that what method we can apply in this question. So already I have informed to you that whenever we are converting small unit into big unit, so at that time we will do divide. Again I am repeating, gram is small unit and kilogram is big unit. So we are going this from gram to kilogram. So at that time we will do division. So firstly we are bifurcating this 2420. We will bifurcate this number. So we can do like this. There are 4 digits. 2420. So first we will bifurcate this 2000 gram plus 420 gram. See, like this way. Simplest form we are writing. Whole number is given like this way. So first we will write 2000 gram. After that we will put addition sign and we will write 420 gram. Means we have bifurcated this whole number into this. This is your first step. Now what we have to do, like 2000 is given in gram and we have to convert this 2000 into kilogram. So to this 2000 we will divide with this 1000. Means we will divide this 2000 with 1000. So firstly we will write this 2000 in bracket like this and we will put division sign. And with what number we will divide? With this 1000. So 2000 divided by 1000. Now I taught you previously that whenever we are converting, means whenever we are putting this division sign and this 1000, at that time remove this gram sign, means gram unit, and put kg backside, right? Now this 420 will come as it is. This is we have done for this 2000 gram. Now this plus sign and this 420 gram will remain same. Means same we are copying, because we want our answer in kilogram and gram. Now 2000 divided by 1000 means you will divide this in rough space like this. So same zeros, if the same zeros are there in place of numerator and in the place of denominator, so it can be cut like this, that you are knowing. So answer we are getting just 2. Directly I have done, means in rough space I have done this method. Now backside put kg means kilogram. So our answer we are getting means 2 kg of this step. Now this plus sign and 420 gram remains same. So this is your answer. Means without sign of this addition you have to write this. You have to mention this answer in kg and in gram. 2 kg and 420 gram is your answer. So this is your conversion sum of gram into kilogram and gram. See, step by step you have to write like this way only, in this format. First we are bifurcating these numbers, means 2000 gram and 420 gram. After that we want our answer in kilogram and gram in both. So first 2000 gram we will convert into kilogram, that we have done. Plus this 420 we will put the same, means we will copy the same. Now we have bifurcate this 2000 and 420. So to this 2000 gram we will divide with 1000. So we will get 2 kg answer. And plus 420 we will copy the same. Now answer is 2 kg and 420 gram. Now your second number is 5040 gram. Second number is 5040 gram. Now same steps we will do, means as like the number same 1, we will do this second number sum. So it is 5040. So first we will bifurcate this number into two different numbers. So first we will put 5000 because first digit is 5. Backside 5000 gram plus we will put sign of plus this 40 we will add. See, if you will do the cross check means if you will do the addition of this 5000 and this 40, so you will get this number 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 4 4, 0 same and 5 will put same. See, same number we are getting. So that in that manner we have to bifurcate these two numbers. Now this 5000 gram we will convert into kilogram. So for this step we will divide this 5000 with the help of 1000. So mention this 5000 in this bracket. Divide this, put the division sign and divide this 5000 with this 1000. After finishing this bracket, you will put kilogram instead of this gram. Put this plus sign and 40 gram will remain same. See, why we are mentioning this step, this division in bracket? Because we should know this step properly, right? That we have done this step from this both of this. Now 5000 directly you can write this division answer because 3 zeros will be cut. So directly you will get 5 kilogram plus 40 you will copy the same. So we are getting this answer 5 kilogram and 40 gram. This is your answer. See, this is very important for you, this chapter and this conversation sum also, because this conversation sums will come in higher grade also whenever you will go in grade 5. So at that time also this kind of sums will come. So this is first time given in your grade 4. So you have to understand properly and this sums you have to write in this proper format only, right? See, suppose you are not mentioning this formula 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. This formula if I am not mentioning in each and every sums, so it's okay, but you can write this formula commonly here. Now third number sum I am explaining to you. Third number sum is 8047 gram. This is your third number sum. same steps we will follow. First we are bifurcating this 8000 and 47. So we will put 8000, back side we will put gram, plus 47. Now this 8000 we will convert into kg. So 8000 division sign and divided by 1000, and remove this gram and put kilogram unit back side. Put this plus sign same it is, and 47 will make copy. Now 8000 divided by 1000. Already I have told you that if we are writing this 8000 and the 1000 like this way, so number of same 0 will be cut. So answer we are having just 8 kg. Plus 47 gram. So this is our answer. 8 kg means 8 kilogram and 47 gram. I hope that you understand this conversation sum very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.